In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a dot crosshair in Valorant. I'll be showing you a few options, so make sure you stay to the end for the best option for you. Start by heading to the crosshair settings and go to primary. Select a color you want to use. I like to use a custom color. Turn outlines on and use one for the opacity and one for thickness. Turn on center dot, then use one for opacity and one for thickness. Go down and turn off the show inner lines option. Then do the same for show outer lines. This will give you a small dot crosshair. Head back up to the top and set the dot thickness to 2. This will give you a slightly bigger dot that is easier to see. With this dot, you can turn off the outlines if you want. For more circular dot crosshair, set the center dot thickness to 2. Then go down to the inner line settings. Turn on the inner lines, then set line opacity to 1, line length to 1 where the length's linked, line thickness to 2, and line offset to 1. Head back up to the top and adjust the outline settings to your liking. I tend to leave outlines turned off for this crosshair. All of the dot crosshair codes will be in the description. Like the video if you found it helpful.